Hi, this is Michael Sandler, once again talking about different topics in bankruptcy. Question that a lot of clients or potential clients have when they come in and they're interested in filing a Chapter 13 case is whether they have to pay all of their debt or just a portion of their debt. That really depends on the case. In a Chapter 13, there are a lot of different rules that you have to follow to get a plan confirmed and then to follow through to discharge. Some debts do have to be paid in full in a Chapter 13 case. Priority tax claims need to be paid in full. So those are taxes typically from the last 3 years, but may include more taxes in certain situations. Child support arrearages typically have to be paid in full during a Chapter 13 case as well. And then if we file your Chapter 13 because you're behind in your mortgage, that mortgage arrearage should be paid in full. But there are plenty of other debts that don't need to be paid in full. In fact, they don't need to be paid at all. All your credit card debt, your medical debt, payday loans, debts from repossessions and foreclosures. That sort of unsecured debt does not necessarily have to be paid in a Chapter 13. It depends on a couple of different things. Your Chapter 13 payment is based upon your income minus your expenses. So if your monthly income is $5,000 a month and your expenses are $4,500 a month, your monthly payment would be $500 a month. And over the course of 60 months, you would be paying $30,000. So if your debt was $60,000, you'd be paying 50 cents on the dollar. And this is all rough numbers, of course. If you propose a plan that pays that, your chances of getting the plan approved and signed off on by the judge, again, depends on following the different rules that exist for a Chapter 13. One of those is to also satisfy something called the means test. The means test, which is discussed in Chapter 7 videos, talks about qualifying for a Chapter 7 by not making too much money or not having too much excess income. In the Chapter 13 context, the means test determines what your minimum payment in a Chapter 13 plan needs to be. So if you propose a $500 a month payment, because your income minus expenses is $500, but that means test calculation comes out to be $725, the trustee is going to file an objection and your plan will likely be denied. So there's a lot of different rules involved with Chapter 13, and the best thing to do to determine what your minimum payment is and if all of your creditors need to be paid or not is to give me a call or shoot me an email and come in for a free consultation. Every case is different. Chapter 13 is very complicated, but I look forward to walking you through the process.